We're making a roast. Now, I had some people ask that I put a recipe down in the description so they know how to make stuff. Problem with that is they'll read it and they won't watch the video, so why make the video? And another problem is I know people have trouble understanding what I'm saying at times, so I have to go back and put like little subtitles at the bottom saying what it is and how much, and that's, to be honest, just a big hassle for me. So I came up with a solution. I went out and I got a bunch of post-it notes. Like this, a chuck roast is 1,339 calories per pound. The roast is 2.31 pounds for a total of 3,093.09 calories. And at the end, I'll add everything up and let you know how much. If you like this idea, let me know. I'll keep doing it. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and start it on our roast. Now you want to get yourself a skillet, whatever, frying pan. Turn that on. I'm going to say about medium. My stovetop goes from low to high with numbers 2 through 8. So I'm pretty much between medium and high. I'm about at 7. You gotta get yourself some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, use something else. It's alright. Now I don't count the calories for that. I refuse to get totally obsessed with calories and everything. Now I'm gonna be using the Weber Gourmet Burger seasoning on the roast. Yes, I know it's not a burger, but remember, a hamburger is also not made out of ham. I'm going to be using that. You might also like the seasonal, maybe just salt and pepper, maybe just nothing. Go ahead and cut open. Go ahead, get our seasoning. Now this says 0 calories on it, which I don't think it's even possible, to be honest with you. But then again, it'd be hard to tell how many calories I'm actually using. And yeah, I know, I'm making a mess again. Okay, our pan's heated up. We're just going to throw it in, or on, and just let it cook long enough so it turns brown. Flip it, do the other side, flip it and do the edges. You get the idea. It's pretty simple. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over, see what it looks like. There, yep, just like that. Now, you don't have to do this, but it does help. It brings out a different layer of flavor and also helps seal the meat and keep the moisture inside. We're going to let that go for a few more minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and look on this side. About right. Whoa. Let that go a couple minutes. There we go. I'm not going to worry about these edges. They're no big deal. Turn that off. Slide this back. And now we're going to move over to the crock pot. Okay, we got our crock pot plugged in and it's on low. First thing we're going to do is put our potatoes in. 3 cups. And they're a total of 315 calories. I think it was around 100 calories per cup of potatoes. Next, we're going to put a roast on top of the potatoes. You don't want to lay your roast directly on it because it'll probably burn and stick. Trust me, put the potatoes in first. Now we're going to be adding 2 cans of green beans. Two 14.5 ounce cans of green beans for a total of 105 calories. If you're worried about the salt in the canned goods, drain them and rinse them. I already put how much salt on that when I put the seasoning on. Now I'm using 2 different kinds of green beans due to the fact, well, I had 2 different kinds of green beans. Next is some sweet corn. 15.25 ounce cans, 2 of them, 280 calories for a total of 560. Once again, if you're worried about the salt, go ahead, rinse off your corn and stuff. Now you want to stick water in here. You can cover it up, you can leave it uncovered to roast. Do it whatever, maybe try it uncovered once and cover it up the next time. Now I'm putting 2 cups of water in this. Oh, no I'm not. Putting about that much water in that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some broccoli. 2 cups is 60 calories. Now, I want these on top because I kind of want them to get steamed. I don't want them to get all soggy. Okay, next up is our cauliflower. And that's 2 cups at 50 calories. There we go. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cover this up and leave it go for about 6 hours. Then we'll check on it. You don't have to stir it or nothing. Just leave it the way it is. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few hours. Okay, it's been 7 hours. Now I went ahead and figured up all the calories. When you add everything together, it's 4,184 calories. Now if you divide that in 4 servings, it's 1,046. 3 servings is 1,395. And 5 servings is 836.8. Okay, we got our roast separated into 4 somewhat equal servings. The roast came out tender, pretty much falling apart, but not too dry. Now you can use the broth for soup, so you might want to just throw that in a container, put it in the freezer, and just keep it till you want to make soup. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.